Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am here with a really quick hair tutorial on how I do my high puffs. So I've been wearing these mini twists for a little over a week and a half, close to 2 weeks, and I've been moisturizing them with raw shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil. So now it is time to take these bad boys out. I did do a wash day with the twist in. So I want to take them out and really, get a real good wash day in and deep condition in. So I'm going to take them out. It took me a bit to take them out, but they're out. So I'm just going to take my time and remove these. And mini twists have been working really well for me. I really like wearing mini twists for when I do wear wigs. So during this time of wearing these mini twists for almost 2 weeks, my wigs did lay nice and flat, and my hair is super moisturized still, and I needed maximum protective styling. Okay, so they're all out, and of course, with having your hair in twist, your hair, it's gonna need to shed just a little bit. So I did have some shedded hair, but not too much, because I did use the Q-Redew hair steamer to help detangle my hair, and the hair steamer definitely helped with softening up the hair a bit to get through my strands, and also help me get this stretched out look without heat. So I'm kind of getting a 2-for-1 here. I'm getting like a hair steam treatment and my hair stretched out without any harmful heat or anything. So that was easy peasy. So I needed to go somewhere, so I'm going to apply the Mizani 25 Miracle, if I'm correct, if that's the name. The name is in the description. Leave-in conditioning spray. I love this stuff, and I like to use this to style my hair. So I'm going to throw my hair up into a big puff using this brush by Can2. And it's really soft. I like this brush because it has like bristles and the other kind of bristles. So I just put my hair up into a puff. I just sprayed my hair with some leave-in conditioner to help, get the hair up. And it was nice and lightweight. Besides just using water, I like using the leave-in conditioner. So I also put some leave-in conditioner on my puff and just kind of, puffed it out, maneuvered through it to get it kind of round. My puff wasn't exactly symmetrical, but you get where we went with that, okay? So this leave-in conditioner kind of leaves your hair wet, so you don't want to put too much. And on my edges, I'm going to use Vonte Edge Effects, which is like my favorite edge control right now because it holds my natural hair edges in place, leaving them nice and soft without that crunchy look. So the product might look a little white on right now is because of the leave-in conditioner. Once I brush everything together, that kind of white hue goes away. So I do put some on the back. And then I take this little mini edge brush, which you can find at your local beauty supply store or online or Amazon, and brush it in. Taking my time. I only put the edge control on my edges on the front and just a little bit in the back. So like that. Brush it on in. So once that is all in, I am going to let my hair set kind of with this satin scarf around my head. This just helps it get nice and flat. You know what it does. I've been doing this for years. It works. So I let that sit on my hair while I do my makeup and things of that nature. And take it off. And my hair is nice and slick and juicy because of the leave-in conditioner. I love putting the leave-in conditioner on my edges prior to putting on edge control. It just does a little extra. And my hair feels really good, being that I did have the mini twist in my hair. So my hair was not dirty, really. It just needed to be kind of like freed of the twist. So I was able to get my hair in a style for an additional day or two before I did my shampoo and conditioned. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. All the products I use will be down in the description. And as always, I'll see you guys later.